You know what? I'd say we have to check out on the radar because we
Yes.
have some storms that are getting very close to the state right now. Today's a severe weather day. It hasn't been that long since we had our last round of severe weather, just 5 days ago. And as we get into today, we're starting to see things ramping up right now. Now, across central Indiana, at this time, we're okay. We have just a few light showers around. But as we look a little farther off to the west, you can see this line of storms that is moving towards the western border of the southwestern side of Indiana. Unfortunately, very close to Sullivan County, where we had those devastating storms push through on Friday. At this time, we don't have any severe warnings on that cluster of storms, but you can see prolific lightning with it. And these storms did have warnings earlier in the morning. It's been a little while since we've seen one of those issued. Then beyond that, farther off to the west, there is this line of storms that will be moving through the state here in Indiana later today. And at this time, it has numerous severe thunderstorm warnings on it and even a couple of tornado warnings. So this is something we're going to be watching very, very closely as we head throughout the entirety of the day. So I'd say around sunrise, you need to be weather aware from then on into the very early evening. I'd say by 7 o'clock, everything should be pretty much on out of here. But the Storm Prediction Center has just recently issued a mesoscale discussion discussing the fact that they might be issuing a watch box. They're considering it, at least, that this time that's only a 40% chance, but I do think that it is very favorable that later on in the day we could very well see one of those watch boxes issued. At this time, future view is still looking pretty good as far as the hold it's got on this system. Maybe a little farther north on these storms that we're looking at here on future view in Illinois. But here we are at 8 a.m. I am expecting some storm activity in the state by this point. It just continues to increase as we head later on into the morning. This is 10 a.m. when I'm expecting that second line of storms to be at least nearing the state or even entering our northwestern counties. From there, it will be sliding across the state, looking to be kind of a nasty, really messy line of storms, much like what we were seeing on Friday. I'm thinking it's not going to be quite to the same intensity, but certainly could produce all the severe weather threats we did see on Friday. This is 12:30 p.m. That will continue to slide across the state through the afternoon. Here we are at 2 o'clock, and then by 4 o'clock, I think the most intense of what we will see today will likely be pushing off to the east. That doesn't mean we won't still continue to see the chance for some strong to severe storms on into the early evening hours, but I think our window for it to be at its strongest, the height of these storms, between about 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. That timing is a little bit quicker than what we were talking about yesterday morning, now that those storms are rolling on through. So as you're preparing for the day, just keep that in mind, that we will be tracking those chances for storms coming on through. Make sure you go over your severe weather plan. We are very warm out there this morning. Temperatures are in the mid 70s. We'll see temperatures fall into the low 70s as those storms roll on through into the afternoon. And then we will be talking about a much cooler stretch beyond that. But we want to talk about these watch boxes that have already been issued out to the west and even in northwestern Indiana. Some severe thunderstorm watches in place, tornado watches in place as well. And again, I'm certainly expecting that we'll have that chance to see some of those watches issued here later on into the morning. This is a look at the storm reports from the same system that's been pushing through the region yesterday into late last night. And you can see numerous reports of hail, wind damage, even those tornado reports, over a dozen tornado reports from either funnel clouds or actual tornadoes from yesterday. So again, those threats are the same here. We have a damaging wind threat. That'll be our primary threat, but large hail and the potential for a strong tornado or two certainly possible as well. And then we will see things calm down and we get into a stretch of quieter weather after today. But keep in mind that a watch, that means everything is possible, but it's not happening just yet. You still have time to prepare. A warning means take action. Also keep in mind we have a wind advisory today from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. That's for non-thunderstorm gusts up to 50 miles an hour. Tomorrow quieter, 56 for that high and up to 60 on Friday. By Sunday, Easter Sunday, near 70, and we're dry Thursday until maybe a few spotty showers on Monday. Justin?